Okay, so this is the Smith machine Bulgarian split squat. For this one, it's just extra added support. For this one, you need to put a bench in front, select the bar to be shoulder height. Now, before I do it, I need you to understand, because we're on a Smith and this thing's bolted, you don't have the range of freedom that you would on a normal bar, so you're gonna have to go forward a little bit more and then almost lean against it. It's a subtle lean, let me show you. So from here, bar across, bench across, bar shoulder height, put your ring finger on the hooks, on the little rings. Bring yourself under, stand tall, make sure you hook out, otherwise you'll hit this. Hook away, walk yourself forward a little bit, so you're almost leaning. If you don't, like you're in the wrong spot, it's bad for my back. As I said before, it doesn't move, so you have to move around it. Walk yourself forward, so a subtle lean. Pick a side you want to work, keep it back. There's no right or wrong if you want to go from the toes or the instep. There's no right or wrong with your laces. From here, I'm dropping my right one, that is risen, towards the bench, pushing off the front. Drive. Drive. The only thing that's really important is that when I'm doing it, it's just literally making sure that when I'm doing it, my knee does not protrude over my toes. That's it.